Hello guys, welcome back to SOP Academy. So friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about the Capgemini CIS mail, who gets this mail, what to do next, and how to prepare for the interview. But before moving ahead, I would like to request you all to subscribe to our channel to get informative content like this in the future. Many students are benefiting from our videos and we will keep supporting you guys by providing you all the information that you guys need. So let's move ahead. So a few hours after giving the Capgemini assessment, the candidates get a work style report mail from Capgemini Superset, which gives a detail about their personality traits using the behavior round responses. Then after a few weeks, most of the people receive the selection and rejection mails and details regarding the interview schedule. These selection mails are for the A4 analyst roles. But some of the candidates neither get the work style report, the selection mail, nor the rejection mail. Such type of candidates may receive a mail from Capgemini Exceller about interest in the CIS role, that is the Cloud Infrastructure Services role. I will show you the mail in a minute. They will have to fill a survey form about their interest in this role. One thing you need to keep in mind is that Capgemini hires in bulk and its recruitment process is a bit slow. So be patient. Those who have received the mail from them about selection or CIS mail, they will surely get the interview mail. Now let us look at the mail received from Capgemini Exceller. So this is the mail received from Capgemini Exceller. It says regarding your Capgemini application for Cooled Campus 2021. So it says thank you for the time you have dedicated to follow the selection process for a job with Capgemini. This is to inform you about the status of your application for the job application Cooled Campus 2021. Based on your profile and assessment performance, we would like to offer you an opportunity to apply for the Cloud Infrastructure Services profile. Please find below the profile brief for your reference. So these are 4 points which they have mentioned about the CIS role in Capgemini. So you can read the 4 points, and at last it is written that if the role meets your interest area, respond on the mentioned survey link and confirm your willingness to apply by 20th of June 2021. So this is the link. When you click on the link, you will go to the Superset platform and they will ask you a question about your interest in CIS role. If the answer is yes, you click on yes. If it is on no, then click on no. Then you will submit the your survey. Then after a few days, they will start sending you the interview mail. So now a question arises that why do only a few people are getting the CIS mail while the rest of them are getting the A4 analyst roles? So see, till now no official statement has been given regarding the reason for getting the CIS mail. But looking at this mail, our prediction is that the people who scored very good marks in the assessment are getting this mail. Because if this would have been a rejection mail, then it would have been mentioned in the mail. So do not worry, this mail is not given to people who have been rejected. So people who have received the CIS mail must prepare well for the CIS interview, which can be scheduled any day after 20th of June. My suggestion would be to get an overview about the technologies mentioned in the Cloud Infrastructure Services and the role offered, and be sure to prepare everything you have written in your resume, because Capgemini mainly asks questions from your resume only. If you guys still have any queries, you can ask us in the comment section, or if you want to recommend any video that we should make, so you can comment those topics in the comment section below. We will make a video as soon as possible. So that is all for this video. If you found this video useful, please press the like button and subscribe to the SOP Academy channel. Thank you guys. We will meet soon in another video. Take care.